Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. A video popped up on my timeline today. Someone asked Elon Musk who inspires him. And he said Kanye West, and everybody laughed. But if you look at the expression on his face, he was serious. You know, I think both of these men are geniuses. And they just think differently. They just think outside the box. And Kanye said it the best. He said, when you tell the truth, people start labeling you as crazy. Just watch some of this together and you tell me what you think about this.
Everyone in this room is inspired by you. Who are you inspired by?
Well, Kanye West, obviously. What do you say?
We play the same, bro.
Some might say Kanye West and Elon Musk's friendship is the most random one they have ever seen. No one expected them to be close, much less good friends. As it stands, Elon has proven to be a loyal and true character in West's life. As we all know, Kanye is no stranger to making headlines, but despite social media controversies, Tesla founder Elon Musk still has Kanye's back. He's one of the few people who does not believe Kanye is insane or going insane. The billionaire actually thinks he operates in a space where not everyone can understand the way he sees things, perhaps only fellow geniuses like him. Kanye was suspended from Twitter after making anti-Semitic comments, but his account was restored a few days before Elon completed his takeover of the platform. Even though some say Elon had nothing to do with the restoration of Kanye's account, one would expect him to have done the needful if Kanye's account was still deactivated. While everyone is mocking and calling Kanye crazy, Mr. Elon doesn't believe it. To him, Kanye is a genius who constantly thinks about everything and wants everybody else to do the same. He wants to engage, question, and push boundaries. Elon thinks Kanye is not afraid of being judged or ridiculed in the process. Kanye's been playing the long game all along, and we're only just beginning to see why. Hearing such moving things about Kanye West come from the mouth of the world's richest man and perhaps the most gifted inventor of our generation is truly incredible. Maybe Kanye isn't crazy at all. Of course he isn't perfect, but labeling him crazy would not be right.
Why do people think there's something wrong with you? But I legitimately, like, you've been medicated. They've put you away, right? How did that happen?
Well, I'll say these two things. I think very three-dimensionally. I don't think in the black and white lines that I've been programmed. So when I'm talking, it's not a rant, it's a symphony of ideas. I just tell the truth, and telling the truth is crazy in a world full of lies.
Hey guys, what you think? Me personally, I don't think Kanye is crazy. I think he's very intelligent. He just thinks differently than people. Like he said, once you start telling the truth, get ready. People are going to try to take you down. But anyway, I would like to read some of the comments and you tell me what you think about Kanye West. You think he's crazy? Is he doing this? Is it a plan? I don't know. I would like to read some of your comments, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.